how to use eBay auction versus buy it now strategy. So in here, first of all, let's open our eBay. Make sure you're logged into your seller account or your regular account. So in here, what you're gonna do is tap on the option selling right here. And in here, before selling anything and maximize your profit, what you're gonna do is choose between the eBay auction or buy it now option. So eBay auction would be simply if the buyers want to buy it, they can negotiate it. But for the buy it now option, it will be the fixed price that would be listing based on the scarcity, demand, and the predictability of your new item. So in here, what you really want to use is what you would select. So in here, I do recommend you guys use the buy it now option for any sort of small products that you are selling. So in here, for example, if you are selling some kind of sneakers, let's say, I recommend you guys use the buy it now for the fixed price, since negotiating for a sneakers won't be that profitable. So in here, if you're selling a larger product, so for example, if you're selling any sort of property, you can now use the option of auctions for the rare, unique collect tribes with unpredictable values to trigger the competitive bidding wars. So like I said, it will really help you make the profit if you put the auction option to any sort of property that you want to sell. But if it is for a small items like sneakers or some sort of watch, you will I recommend you guys use the option of buy it now. So yeah, that's it.